Okay, here's a short clip on assessing the condition of the gibs and the friction. This is my Harbor Freight mini mill. I'll be tearing this down and trying to work in the ways better, but I want to document how much force it takes to move this right now. So I put my push-pull gauge up here and slide this thing. I'm looking at around 16 to 18 pounds. I'll try it one more time here. I want to end up with consistent force when I have this converted to CNC. It starts out at 17. So it's fairly consistent, about 17 pounds of force. That seems like a lot. I'd like this to be easier, so that way the stepper motors don't have to work so hard just to move it.